Let's have a look at question 2. Okay, for question 2, the diagram below shows different phases of the process of meiosis. Well, they're all going to start like this anyway. So our different phases of meiosis, let's have a look. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look at our phases here. So let's try to identify them. Here we have 2 rows. And when we have 2 rows of chromosomes, okay, it is therefore what am I doing? Not telophase, see? It is metaphase. Remember, metaphase is the middle phase. Here's your equator. So meta, remember meta for middle. Okay, and which one? Metaphase 1 or 2? There are 2 rows, so it is metaphase 1. Okay, if we look at this one here, we've got our centrioles sitting there. We've got our spindle fibers. Okay, and we've got all our little chromosomes. But can you see here, that's a homologous chromosome. Okay, here, crossing over hasn't taken place yet. You see that? And because crossing over hasn't taken place, that doesn't matter. This is going to be what am I doing? It's prophase 1. How do we know this? Crossing over hasn't taken place. Then if we look at number 3, here we're sitting with just our single strands of chromosomes here, and that means that it is telophase. Okay, telo for terminal, telophase, the end phase, telophase 2. Okay, also another clue is that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 unidentical. So 4 unidentical daughter cells. At the end of telophase 1, we only have 2 unidentical daughter cells. All right, and then if we look at 4, they're pulling away. And as they're pulling away here from the equator, it means it is the away phase, which means it is anaphase. Anaphase is your away phase. So A for away, A for ana. They're pulling apart, they're going towards the poles. Okay, like that. And they still look like butterflies. Can you see here? Look at this shape. It's got like a little butterfly shape, and that means that your chromosomes are still intact, but karyokinesis has taken place here. Okay, so this is anaphase 1. In anaphase 2, and I'm going to put this here in brackets, you're going to have them looking like that. Okay, right. Let's have a look at our questions. It says the chromosome, give the number of the phase where the chromosomes are haploid. Well, that's easy. Where are they haploid? They are haploid here. So that would be in diagram, diagram 3. Why in 3? Because 3 is, and I'm going to put this in brackets, telophase 2. All right, the spindle fibers pull the chromosomes to opposite poles. Well, that's going to be anaphase, and the only anaphase we have here is number 4, so anaphase 1. Crossing over takes place. Well, we haven't got crossing over that's taken place here yet, but it always takes place during prophase, so that would be number 2. A new nuclear membrane forms around an unreplicated chromosome. Easy peasy, that's going to be number 3 again. Because look here, here's your membrane that forms. So Number 3, the spindle fibers start to form. We go back and you can have a look here. Where are the spindle fibers forming? In number 2. Okay, and then our last question. It says random arrangement of chromosome pairs takes place. So where's that random arrangement? It is during 1, which is metaphase 1. So that would be at 1. And please remember that in metaphase 1, there are 2 rows of chromosomes, and in metaphase 2, there is 1 row of individual chromosomes. All right.